Hey everybody, it's Luke Menkes with Fair Realty in Kelowna, British Columbia. Here you are looking at the Promontory. It's located at 685 Boynton Place in Glenmore, here in Kelowna. Today is April 7th, 2024. I wanted to show you that tremendous progress is happening with the construction of the next phase there. We have a unit listed on assignment in this phase. It is a one bedroom, one bathroom, 618 square feet. For $419,900. I think it's a great deal. It looks like this is going to complete late 2024. We also have a show suite. It's fully furnished with staging furniture. You can see it right here. This is unit 62. It's a two bedroom, two bathroom, separate living and dining room. It's gorgeous. It's got a view of the valley and the mountains. It's for sale, but we're using it as a show suite. So give me a call if you want to talk about a sale leaseback. Maybe you've got an investor who wants a great tenant. We could possibly become the tenant on a sale leaseback of unit 62. So we're going to bring these videos every week or so as progress continues. You can see the roof is already done. They've got to do the tar, paper, and shingles, of course, but tremendous progress. If you want to know more about the Promontory, what's available for sale, or have a tour of the site, the show suite, and give me a call or text Luke Menkes, Fair Realty Kelowna. You can reach me at 778-402-6743. We'll see you in a couple of weeks.